Here we have this 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Comes with £2,500 worth of factory extras, all listed on the website. One to mention is the M Sport Plus package. We've also got the LED headlights with the black kidney grills in the centre. We've got the front splitter at the bottom in black, making this front end look very aggressive. We've got front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all unmarked there, with the blue M Sport caliper design behind, side skirts running across the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna. We've also got the black spoiler on the tailgate just there. Making our way around to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the middle. As we just go forward to open the boot, underneath the BMW badge, press the button, you'll be able to see we've got plenty of space there for whatever you may need, and you've also got your charging cable on the left hand side. Just pull the tailgate down, close it nicely. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we just take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching. We've also got the Isofix points with the armrest in the centre, and we've also got the M Sport embroidery on the seat belts. Climate control for the passengers in the middle. We've also got the ambient lighting on the door there, which is currently in purple, and we've also got the electric windows. Onto the front, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated, and there is a look at those. We've also got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows with the child lock at the rear, and again the ambient lighting running across the door. We've got the automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning the vehicle on, my foot is on the brake, and we'll just press the start button and turn this vehicle on with no warnings on the dashboard, other than the outside temperature only being 2 degrees. Onto the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter and the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume button and the paddle shift behind it there. If you just press this menu button up on the digital dashboard, you'll be able to see it says radio or the music collection. Onto the main screen here, you can see we've got the menu with down the left hand side. If we just scroll up to nav, show you the nav on screen there. It is also a touchscreen, which is quite handy. So we've got a nice display there. Back onto the menu, we've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth audio. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Back to the home screen, down to car. If we just pop into the settings here, into the interior lighting, you'll be able to see we've got ambient lighting in this vehicle. It's currently in purple, and you can change them all to different colours. If we just pop it on blue there and go back, you can see on the dashboard it's changed to blue and into the door as well, very nicely. If we pop to the bottom here where it says apps, you can see this vehicle also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Popping it back into the home screen. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see we've got the rear reversing camera with the guidelines, and we've also got the sensors on the right hand side. Popping it back into neutral, making this car safe. We've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. We've also got the heated rear window with the aircon just there. I'm just going to turn that off as it does get quite loud. We've got a space there for accessories with the cup holders. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the traction control. We've also got the different drive modes here and the automatic hold. Function dial with the different buttons for the screen as well. Now if I just press these drive mode buttons, you can see it comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. We've also got the intelligent safety here. So if somebody comes for if the car comes to crash, it will give you a early sign of that. So you've got the front collision warning, and you can change that to early, medium or late, preferably early, as you don't want to crash your car. And we've also got the lane departure warning. All of these features available just to know that you've got a safe car. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now have to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons just here on the left hand side, with the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show at different displays that you've seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle. The seats are very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. With both the front seats being heated, it's perfect for them cold winter mornings. We do have plenty of features in this vehicle. Quickly going through them, we do have the main infotainment screen, again full of features on there. It's currently showing the sat nav. We also have plenty of other options such as the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We've got the 3-zone climate control, we've got the ice-cold air conditioning as well, perfect for the hot summer days. Ambient lighting running all throughout the vehicle, looks really nice, especially at night time. Automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes, and of course you can stick it into manual mode with the paddles. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down before making the right hand turn now onto the industrial park and perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reversing camera appears on the screen along with the parking sensors. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.